Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to another pop-up DIY special. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another video. Here are the items that you will need to achieve this look. We're going to be making a bracelet. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need 2 jump rings. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire, your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and I have here some leather cord, okay? I got this cord from Michael's. Okay, so this is 3/16 inches, 4.7 millimeters. That's the size of this, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that we are going to do is you're going to have to measure out the size of your wrist, okay? So I'm going to measure out the size of my wrist, just like this, and I'm going to cut it right here. Take my wire cutters and snip it, and this is what you are going to have, okay? Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut out 28 inches of aluminum wire. So I'm going to measure 28 inches out. Okay. Okay. Right there. Okay. And then we're just going to do 8 more inches. Put that there. And just roll it down. And we're going to snip it right here. Okay. So we have a lot of a lot of wire. But it's all good because we're going to use every last bit of this wire, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make a loop. And I like to have a nice size hole. So I'm going to come all the way down on my round nose pliers and make my loop. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to start making a series of circles. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to just start rolling it just like this. Just roll it down. And I want to make it as big. I want it to be a nice size. Okay. Okay, so you want to roll it down. And this is the size that I want for my bracelet. Now, you can make this bigger or smaller. The bigger you make it, the more wire you are going to need. So we're just going to measure out and see what we have left. We have we got 12 inches there. We have about 15 inches left, okay? So we have about 15 inches left. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to the second part. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you're going to have two sides of your cord. You're going to have a smooth side and a rough side. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to take and place my rough side facing up. I'm going to lay it just like this on my piece. And then I'm going to take my finger and hold this over. Actually, pull that up. Put my finger here. And I'm going to wrap. I'm going to put this, place this here, bring this piece over top of my cord, okay? And I'm going to hold it as tight as possible. And I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to wrap it twice. So this is once. And then I'm going to bring it over. And as I'm bringing it over, I want to make sure that it is as close as possible, okay? Now I'm going to flip it this way. And then I'm going to bring this piece over like this, okay? So actually, this will be hidden underneath, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start wrapping my bracelet, okay? So I'm going to do a series of loops, of wraps, all the way down, okay? So I'm going to take my finger, put my finger here, over top of these two pieces here, and then I'm going to bring this down, just like that, okay? And then I'm going to put my finger over top and take this piece under, like that, okay? And that's pretty much all I am going to do to the whole bracelet, okay? Just like that. Take it under. And as you're going under and over, hold it as tight as possible. Take it over, take it under. And this is what you're going to have, okay? And like I said, we're going to wrap this whole bracelet. Okay, you may have to go in and straighten it out and all that good stuff, okay? We're just going to continue to wrap over and under, over, under. And let me just show you so far what I have. This is pretty much it. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay, I want you all to see what I have. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, okay? All right. So this is pretty much what I have so far. And then I'm going to come down. I'm going to be ending this. So I'm going to wrap it, and wrap it. And then I'm going to make, I'm going to come around one more time. I'm going to make a loop down at the bottom of my wire. Okay, I'm going to make my loop. And I'm just going to roll it down one more time, just like this. Okay. So Both of my pieces are hidden pretty much. It's behind, piece right there, piece right there. You can't really see it. And this is our bracelet. And like I said, the thing I like about this is that you can make this piece here as big or as small as you would like. But we're not done yet, because I'm going to show you something really, really nice. Now, what I did was, for those of you who are familiar with my swans, pretty much, let me just show you real quick how to make these. I have these in a couple of different sizes. I have them in 8 inches and I have them in 12 inches. I'm going to use 2 of them to put down the bottom of my bracelet. So this is a 12 and this is an 8, and I'm going to use a jump ring. Okay. Okay. And also what I'm getting ready to do is, now you can do so many different things with this bracelet. Okay. I'm going to take my jump ring and I'm going to add on my two swans. Put it right through there. And I'm going to add these on. And you can add all types of charms. You can add any kind of charms you want to on this. And I'm just going to close this up. Okay. And this is pretty much what your bracelet is going to look like. So I'm going to try it on for you all. Now you can wear this bracelet many, many, many different ways. The thing that I really love about this is that, like I said, you don't need anything to, you don't need no clamps, no closures or anything like that. And here is your bracelet. And this is gorgeous. Now, wait a minute. Okay. And it will snug your wrist. Okay, and here you have it. Okay. How cute is this? This is gorgeous. So you have a beautiful bracelet. And you can put a coral shell in the middle of this and really give it a different look. You can do so many different things with this bracelet. I just want to thank you all for watching today. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button on the side so that, or hit the bell on the side so that when I do upload many other videos, you will get a notification on when I will be doing more videos. Okay, you'll get a notification. So I want to thank you all for watching. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.